All right, let's talk about Bali, but maybe not the Bali you think you know. Today we're going on a little journey, a quest really, to find the island's ancient soul, the side that, believe it or not, most visitors miss completely.
You know, when you hear the word Bali, what pops into your head? Probably this, right? Gorgeous beaches, epic sunsets, the buzz of the crowds. And hey, that stuff is amazing, no doubt. But what if I told you there's a whole other Bali? A Bali that's quieter, deeper, just steeped in ancient history, waiting for someone like you to come and find it. So, the big question is, are you ready to explore that Bali? The real Bali? Awesome. Let's peel back those layers together and see what's really hiding just beneath the surface.
Yep, that's where we're headed. We are going way beyond the beaches. We're on a mission to uncover the deep, deep story of this incredible island, a story that's literally written in stone and has been preserved for centuries. And the place that holds the key to this whole other side of Bali? It's the Arca Building Archaeological Museum. Okay, so right off the bat, you need to know this is not a place you're going to stumble upon on the main tourist drag. Nope, this is a true hidden gem. It's this quiet, amazing corner of the island where you can actually connect with Bali's authentic history, away from all the noise.
So, you might be wondering, is this for me? Well, let's see. Are you a culture lover? A slow traveler who likes to soak things in? A mindful explorer? Or maybe you're a digital nomad or part of a family looking for something different. If you answered yes to any of those, then yeah, this place is definitely for you.
Seriously, walking into this museum, it's like stepping into a time machine. I'm not kidding. You get to just leave all the modern hustle and bustle at the door and completely immerse yourself in Bali's ancient world. And what's inside? Oh man, the collection is just incredible. We're talking ancient stone statues and carvings, powerful ritual objects, some of the earliest Balinese pottery you can find, even ancient tools and bronze objects that give you this amazing window into what life was like way back when. But here's the thing. These aren't just, old objects sitting behind glass. Not at all. Each and every artifact here tells a story about spiritual devotion, incredible artistic skill, and that deep, deep connection between people and nature that honestly still defines so much of Bali today. And, to really let all those stories sink in, it's not just about what you're looking at. It's about the space itself. The whole vibe of the museum is designed to be super calm and reflective. I saw it described perfectly somewhere as a calm and reflective atmosphere, which is just ideal if you're looking for a meaningful experience instead of just, rushing from one photo op to the next. It's like the perfect antidote to that frantic tourist checklist. This is a place that literally invites you to just slow down, take a breath, really look at things, think about them, and connect with all that history around you completely at your own pace. No pressure. And that whole idea, slowing down, having a more personal visit, it actually leads to something even bigger. It makes your visit here truly deeply meaningful. And here's why. It's actually super simple. Step 1, you visit the museum. Step 2, your visit directly supports the local efforts to preserve all this history. And step 3, you're helping protect Bali's amazing cultural heritage for future generations. It's that direct. So it totally transforms your trip, right? It's not just sightseeing anymore. It becomes this travel experience that feels genuinely purposeful. You're connecting to Bali's past, but you're also playing a part in its living culture right now. Okay, so if you're thinking, I need to see this place, and you're ready to find that soul of Bali for yourself, here are the quick details you'll need to plan your visit. All right, here's the quick rundown. Give yourself a good 45 to 90 minutes. That's plenty of time to soak it all in without feeling rushed. My tip, go in the morning. It's usually much quieter then. It's absolutely perfect for families, history buffs, pretty much anyone curious. And the best part, the entry fees are super affordable. At the end of the day, this place is just so much more than a museum. It really is. It's a journey. It's your personal gateway into Bali's ancient civilization, its art, and its deep, powerful spiritual heritage. Which really just leaves one last question, and this one's for you to answer when you go. What stories are you going to discover?